At number 23, we're moving to the middle of the body, and this is a really key part of your wardrobe. It's the tan belt. Not a teeny tiny skinny one, and not a very broad chunky belt either, but a nice medium thickness. You don't actually have to spend a lot on belts at all. This is to put through trousers, through a skirt. This is to put around a jacket sometimes if you like to wear it over a jacket. This is to put through your jeans. But a good quality tan belt is an absolute essential. And you might lean toward the gold buckle or the silver buckle. I personally prefer gold buckle on tan, but it's entirely up to you. And again, you don't have to spend a lot on it. I am not a brand shopper. I don't do Prada and Gucci and Dolce & Gabbana, and I'm not a high-end shopper at all. Not to say that I'm not going to get a pair of Louboutins, because I am still going to do that one day. But it's not, I'm a high street kind of girl. I love the open air, the pedestrianized kind of shopping with all kinds of different, especially independently owned little boutiques and shops here and there where you find something special. But whatever it looks like to you, you could get them in almost every single department store, local shop. Online shopping is great. So at number 23 is the tan, medium-sized and thickness belt.